Welcome back to Switch South Africa. Today we're at the Ford Raptor SE launch. SE meaning Special Edition. We're out in Cape Town today. We're doing a bit of off-roading. We're gonna go to a game reserve later on. So yeah, it's the first time we're in Cape Town for a launch. This is our very first launch as the Switch Off channel. So keep it locked and I hope you enjoy the content. So we just stopped for lunch. We're somewhere in the Western Cape. I don't want to lie to you guys and tell you exactly where we are, but we just stopped for lunch. We just had a great lunch. So now on to our next destination, which is our resting place for the night, and that's going to be in the Karoo. Not sure where, but it's gonna be in the Karoo. So behind me, there's the Raptor, and then there's the other Raptors there. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll be shooting as well when we're in the Karoo, so you can see exactly how it's going. Then yeah, keep it locked. Okay, so this is Ashley. I'm sure you guys have seen him from Cars this year, ZA. Nice. So how do you feel about this experience? What's it thought so far?
I've actually never driven this deep into the Karoo before, but it's pretty empty here and quiet. The sunset's nice, but no, who lives out here? There's nothing to do here. But I understand that some people like peace and quiet. That's nice, but
other than that, no.
It's not for me, no.
At the top of the world, we've reached our final destination. I'm saying final in inverted commas because after we've been to our camping site. I hope you guys can hear because it's very windy. But yeah, so this is day one. I don't think I'm gonna shoot today at our camping site, but if I do get an opportunity to do so, I will. And then tomorrow, day two, but you're gonna see it all on the video. So yeah, oh, there's also an Everest. Yeah, now we're at day 2 of the Ford Raptor SE Special Edition launch. So behind me you can see the Raptors. We just made a quick stop from our camping site. We're driving on back to Cape Town. But yeah, we're in, I don't even know where we're at, but I know we're going to a town called Suez. We passed it yesterday. But yeah, there's a Raptor pulling through right now. And this is the man. But Felix.
How's it, everyone? Where are we? Tangwa Pastan.
Yeah, this is the place we're at, Tangwa Pastan.
Pastan.